My name's Dayle and this is Dayle's Addiction. This is our third monthly subscriber unboxing for the year. This is the March edition. March had 31 days and there are a lot of bags for those 31 days, that is for sure. We have this month some new contributors that have never contributed before and have always been umming and ahhing, and now they're here. So welcome to the newbies. Welcome to those who are on repeat. We're seeing pieces from you every month. I am loving it. It's like, I hope that perhaps by sharing your joy, you might even start your own YouTube channel. Who knows? So thanks to those people. Thanks to you guys that tune in and watch every month and support and applaud the beautiful new pieces that people in this community are buying. I have to say, this month there are a few temptations for me, particularly the greens this month. There are some beautiful greens this month. If you love a green, even a neutral green, keep an eye out, and there's a very special unboxing right at the end, so I'll see you for that one very soon. Introducing fellow YouTuber Melissa Adams-Wade.
Hi Dayle, thank you so much for allowing me to share my newest bag with you and your subscribers. I did already unbox this on my channel, so it's not a true unboxing, but I still wanted to share it with all of you guys. So inside of this bag, I got the Lady Dior in the My ABC size in this stunning green color. It does show up a little bit brighter on screen than it actually is in person, but it's a true sage green. I had the idea of getting this bag in this particular color because I felt like it would be perfect for summer months with my floral print dresses, but also in the winter months with something like what I'm wearing today. And it's going to be a perfect year-round bag for me. Thank you so much for allowing me to share my newest bag with you. I am so excited to see all of your other subscribers' beautiful new additions to their collection as well.
Not the typical unboxing you see here, but I have wanted this for a year and I looked at a ton of them, and this one came from Tokyo and it said it was grade A, and it is beautiful. It's from 1996. It's a Montsuri PM, and there's a ton of MMs around, but not as many PMs, and they're usually quite beat up. But this one is in beautiful condition, very clean, and it looks like somebody just had it in a box since 1996. There's not really even a place to show where the buckle sat. And there's still cardboard in the pocket. So hope you like my new bag.
Okay, we have two unboxings from Carolyn from Saarland, Germany. This first one she picked up pre-loved. It might look a little familiar. It's the Louis Vuitton Denim Speedy or Jacquard Speedy 25 from last January. I picked this one up too. I think it's an absolute beauty. Look how fresh it is for a pre-loved bag. And she also picked up a new Fendi bag. I wonder what it could be. Let's see. I've got a feeling that I'm going to love this one too. How did I know? The beautiful purple from Cruise 23. Congratulations, Carolyn. Next up, we have several unboxings from the fabulous Fragabellissima. This 2020 pink bubblegum regular baguette was hard to find in Europe. She picked it up pre-loved in pristine condition. Absolutely stunning. Now, you can see the next one just in our sights. Oh my goodness, it's the large Fendi baguette in black leather with shearling. Also pre-loved from the 2019 full collection. Very rare and hard to find. She has been on the hunt. There's some absolute beauties. The list goes on. Next up, we have the Fendi Celleria baguette in magenta pink with beautiful green stitching. Oh my goodness, again pre-loved. First saw in Ada Sully's YouTube videos. Due to this grained leather, it has more structure and less slouch than other baguettes, so no organiser is needed. What a stunner. And if you haven't checked out Ada Sully's channel, go and do that. I'll link it in the description box below. What have we got next? I love the filming. We have a sparkly delight. This is the Fendi sequin. No, it's not. This is the Fendi Crystal Nano baguette, bought directly from Fendi. Very heavy and substantial. It's supposed to be a charm, but you could not hang this from another bag. Look at the glitter on that bag. This one came up quite flat in the photos on the Fendi website, but look at it now in the natural sunshine. Absolutely delightful. Here's the sequin baguette. We are twinning on this one. Oh my God, the pink sequin baguette, pre-ordered directly from Fendi, a 6-month wait. And so far, all sequins are intact. Fingers crossed, touch wood. I'm still waiting for mine to come back. So, patience is a virtue, they say. And finally, from Fragabilissima, we have the Louis Vuitton Keep All Extra Small, bought pre-loved but in unused condition from the men's collection 2020, one of Virgil Abloh's last pieces. The photos and videos do not do this stunning colourway justice. You might remember that I had the pocket organiser in the pink and purple colourway. She also bought a green organiser from Zimone for it with my promo code. Thanks for the plug. What a fabulous haul. This Hermes score came for Debbie whilst she was visiting Singapore. She missed out on her Fendi MTO appointment, but she scored at Hermes. Let's have a look. What did she get? It's a brand new Her bag. Congratulations, Debbie.
Hi Dayle, it's Hannah from London. So much to sign with Hannah, and I am so pleased to be part of your subscriber video this month. Thank you so much for creating this content. It is fantastic. I enjoy watching your videos, as you know. And I've got a little Fendi purchase for you, which, yeah, it was a bit of a surprise because I don't really love pink, but I love this pink. It is from the Spring-Summer 2023 Fendi collection, and it's kind of like a salmony pink. And it is this little Fendi graphy which just slips onto your wrist, and you can carry it around carefree, a little bit of fun for your outfit, or you can put a strap on it and wear it crossbody. Love it, love it, love it.
I love it too. Next we have Laura from Puerto Rico with several unboxings to share with us. The first one obviously comes from Dior. Look at that beautiful packaging. What has she got in here? She had to buy a couple of bags for an evening event and wanted options. Well, look at this pearlescent grey. It's a mini My Lady Dior in pearlescent grey with champagne gold hardware. What a great option. Oh look, here we go. Another one from Jimmy Choo. What do we have? It's the Emmy in glitter clutch. Wow. I actually had this bag and I never wore it. I wonder if Laura ended up choosing it for the event. Another bag. Loewe New Season Lilac in the mini puzzle. I'm going to have to freeze frame there because that is glorious. Oh, look at this one. This is a gorgeous Chanel classic wallet on chain purchased by Michelle to celebrate her 50th birthday. Happy birthday, Michelle. Next we have Rena Kay from New York City with this beautiful Chanel mini flap in a gorgeous lilac and cream ombre. She also picked up a Dior card holder in cloud blue and a Fendi Peekaboo I See You in lilac. I just love how she's crossbodied it. Next we have our favourite contributor from Singapore. She's picked up this gorgeous Valentino grained leather cream crossbody bag with a beautiful clasp closure like my camera bag does. And she purchased this one for travel. And I think it's beautiful. I love the champagne gold hardware against that gorgeous creamy pebbly white soft leather. So pretty. Well, Lexi's third contribution to the subscriber unboxing is a gorgeous pair of shoes. This green is unbelievable. These are the Fendi First Pumps, I believe, in the beautiful current season. Beautiful green. There are bags in this colour too, people, and Lexi was strong enough to hold out. Well, Julia has quite the Fendi haul here, and I think Julia and Lexi might get along very well indeed. Julia's first item is a beautiful, beautiful green shawl in an ombre effect. Absolutely stunning. There's another bag. What's in this one? Okay, we have a box. It looks like a bag box to me. Fresh tissue paper. Ooh, I can't wait to see. I can't wait to see. Truth be told, I already know what's in here, but you can't wait to see. It's the pea green bag that goes with Lexi's shoes. This is what I'm talking about. You guys are on the same page. Congratulations. She's a beautiful ICU. Peekaboo. How gorgeous. I just love this colour. It's so calming. You guys know I'm not normally one for muted colours, but Fendi and Dior are both rocking this gorgeous muted green at the moment. Next we have Andrea from Melbourne, Australia, and she's got a hot new item from Louis Vuitton. This is her March purchase. It's the LV Diane bag in black. So many people have been talking about this gorgeous empreinte leather. See that gorgeous magnetic clasp, gotta stop saying gorgeous, and the purple interior. The strap is pretty cool as well, and it looks long enough to crossbody. What a great buy. Well done, Andrea.
My obsession with Hermes, all things Hermes, continues, particularly the bags. I bought my very first bag, Hermes bag, in 2018. It was a gold Evelyn, and that began the quest for more. This I got a couple of days ago, and it's a Picotin black 22 centimeter, clearly with gold hardware. Will be a great everyday bag and another little addition to the family.
Hi Dayle, I finally pulled the plug, and here's my first Fendi bag. Ta-da! It's Fendi soft trunk. Thanks to Connor, after I watched his video, I've decided to purchase this bag.
Congratulations and welcome to the Fendi crew. Whilst we're on the Fendi train, let's welcome Alicia's new baguette. Oh my goodness. Alicia's based in the north of England, and she has picked up an absolutely beautiful light beige Celleria regular baguette. What a dreamboat. And there's something else. Cookies! Yummy, yummy! Welcome to Fiona from London, England. This is a really big Louis Vuitton box. I wonder what's inside. Could it be? It is. This is the beautiful Dune-coloured Carriole MM in the empreinte leather. You know that I have the black version. Well, this is the Dune. I'm pretty sure it's the Dune colour. It's a glorious neutral for those who don't want a big black bag. Absolutely stunning. Still on the Louis Vuitton train, Corinne P from the YouTube account Corinne P, and Instagram. Corinne's based in Singapore, and she has been influenced. She's blaming social media for this purchase. Her daily Instagram and YouTube feeds have been telling her that the pochette motif remains a crowd favourite even after 11 years of its release, especially in the monogram canvas and black empreinte. And for years she tried to resist the temptation to try it, and then this colour combination came out and she was done. This is the Rose Trianon / Cream Pochette Matisse, and it's beautiful. Congratulations, Corinne.
Hi everyone, and hi Dayle. I hope you're all well. I've just got a little vintage treat that I'd like to contribute to this month's fabulous unboxing. So I ordered this bag from the Purse Affair, which is a consignment store in Melbourne, Australia. I heard about the Purse Affair through Dayle and Meredith from Living LUXE of Meredith, and I figured, why not give it a try? Why not have a look? And that's when I discovered a piece that I absolutely adore. And that could be a little bit sentimental for me, because these pieces, this collaboration, came out in the year I was born. So without further ado, I present to you all the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami black pochette in the black multicolour.
Thank you, Zach. Congratulations on your beautiful year of birth Louis Vuitton piece. How special is that? And Zach and I have been chatting about that piece for quite a while, and I'm so glad. I can hear how happy he is about it in his voice on the video. If you would like to contribute next month, please just check out the video link in the description box below with all the instructions. Thank you so much to those who contributed again. Please make sure you thumb this up, subscribe, come back for more content, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao!